Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the class. So students, in the last video, I have taught you the newspaper, chapter number 6. And I have explained you why newspaper is important in our life. Okay, so basically newspaper has 4 letters. That is N, E, W and S. N stands for North, E stands for East, W stands for West and S is for South. These 4 letters stands for 4 directions, that is North, East, West and South. Reports from 4 directions are given the name news. Okay, the paper on which the news is printed, news reports are printed, is called what? Is called newspaper. So the newspaper provides us with the to update information and important political events. Okay, so I have completed the first page of this chapter and now I will come to second page of this chapter. So the students, what is newspaper? Newspaper carry the news of the world. If you see the newspaper, you will see the news from all over the world. Okay, newspaper provides informations. Newspaper provides informations and general knowledge. It provides news about countries' economic situations, sports, games, entertainment and commerce. Reading newspaper makes a good habit and it is already a part of a modern life. If we read newspaper daily, then newspaper increases our general knowledge. It develops our reading habits. Okay, it enriches your knowledge and makes us more fluent. This is the benefit of newspaper, students. If you read at least one paper daily, it will develop a good reading habit. Shorts column. You just read short column of the newspaper. छोटे columns को पढ़ो daily. English newspaper. And after 6 months or 7 months or after few months, you will see that your word power has increased, your general knowledge, your reading habit developed. So it's a very good habit to read newspaper. Some newspaper publish books also which have different activities for children. The advertisement column of the newspaper tells us where we can find work for ourselves or improve our prospects. In newspaper, you will find there is a column where we can find job also. Okay, previews of books given in some newspaper help us to choose the best books. Those of us who are interested in arts, music, farming and sports can also find enough material or amusement. Newspaper is useful to every person in society. Every person of society is very important, newspaper, because in newspaper we'll get the information about the politics, we'll get the information about the sports, the advertisement, the economics. We get all the things, all the materials in one newspaper. That is why I am saying that if you read the newspaper daily, it will increase your general knowledge also. Because in one newspaper there are so many news about different fields, like cinema. If you like cinemas, there is a news about cinemas. Actor, actress, if you like sports, there is a page of sports. If you are interested in politics, there is a page of politics also, where you can get all information about politics, about entertainment, about your serials, about your jobs. So many things are there in one newspaper. So it is very, very good to read the newspaper on daily basis. Okay, so newspaper is very useful for every person of society. We find different kinds of advertisement, short stories, historical events, religious doctrine, political speech. Everything we can find in one newspaper. So students, this is all about the newspaper and your chapter is completed. So just do one thing. I have given you the PDF regarding why newspaper is important in our life. Okay, so just note down 4 or 5 lines of your own about newspaper. You will find it very interesting. Okay, so do one thing, just go through the chapter, read it properly and try to get something interesting about newspaper. Try to learn it. Okay, so this chapter is completed. In the next video, I'll give you the fill in the blanks and question answer of this chapter. And I have one thing for you all. Okay, I'll show you one thing. See, this is what? This is a newspaper. है ना? Here it's news about Pakistan. You will get the news about India. Okay, so see, politics you can see here. Okay, local news is also there. Then there is a page of sports. There, see, advertisement is also here. है ना? आप यहाँ पे advertisement भी देख सकते हो. Now here it's given a local news. Here it is given advertisement. देख रहे हैं आप लोग? Now sports. I have told you that there is a one page. There is a page of sports also. So Time Sports is given over here. Huh? See, sports. It's given advertisement, it's given over here. So many things are there in the newspaper. Okay, so sports is here. Indian economic, world economic, everything is given here. See, there is a job portal also. Job section also, where you can find the job. According to your eligibility, according to the criteria, you can fill the form of the job, which is given here. See, here it is given jobs, medical, real estate, है ना? Education forum. There is a advertisement regarding admission in coaching or schools also. There is a column here. Jobs, it's written over here. Okay, so this will help you a lot. You don't need to read any extra books. If you read daily this newspaper now, it will increase your general knowledge. Each and everything is given here. Each and everything. Okay, student? So, आप अपने घर में न्यूज़पेपर उठाओ और उसमें देखो कि क्या क्या है उसमें. And you will find it very interesting. Okay? So this is all about the newspaper. Hope you like this. Okay, students. In the next class, I'll teach you the fill in the blanks of this chapter. Okay, students. Till then, take care.